All right, now we can see all the videos are loaded. Let's try downloading a video without software, as I mentioned. I'll choose this video of Real Madrid, or actually its city. I'll click on it. Okay, you click on it. Next, scroll down. I'll pause the video and scroll down. Look at the comment section. See that line? You'll see like, dislike, share, and download. Click the download button. Got it? When it starts, the download appears below. After clicking, check if your download started. Click the three bars in the top left corner. Click and go to the download section. All right? So click download and you should see the download start here. It says download at 2%. Once the download's done, you can access these videos offline. Got it? So you can view downloaded videos without being connected. To show how this works, I'll try turning off my internet. I'll switch off my connection by enabling airplane mode. Now I shouldn't have internet access anymore. When we refresh the page, we see it loading. But let's check right now. We can see we're in airplane mode. It says we're not connected. Trying to access home takes us straight to downloaded videos. Okay? If I go to the library, it tells me I'm offline. Subscription, you're offline. Shorts and all that. So I'm not connected. But I can still access the videos I've downloaded, which are here. For example, if it's 12% downloaded, it's not finished, but I can still watch part of what's been downloaded, all that stuff. So that's the trick. I'm also taking this video that I've fully downloaded, and there you go. As you can see, the trick works really well. So you can download videos like this to watch when you're offline. Hope you found this video interesting and useful. If so, please like, comment, and give a big thumbs up. It'd make me happy. And subscribe while you're at it. All right, ciao.
You don't have beard? You want to get same beard like me? Or you don't have eyebrow or hair? I'm the owner of one amazing brand. I help women and men forget eyebrow for women, hair or beard for men. So if you don't have anything else, go to my website complicated.com. I can help you to get this one. I show you proof here. I had 0 beard and I get 1 beard in 3 months with proof. So let's do it now and be handsome, have trust and more happy. Let's do it.